2025 Honda Insight discontinued, hybrid sedan dies quietly. After more than 2 decades of on and off production, the Honda Insight is officially bowing out. The once pioneering hybrid sedan, which first debuted in 1999 as one of the earliest hybrid vehicles in America, has been discontinued for the 2025 model year. While the news isn't entirely surprising, given Honda's growing investment in electrification and the popularity of the Honda Accord Hybrid and Honda CR-V Hybrid, the Insight's quiet exit marks the end of an important chapter in the automaker's history. From pioneer to forgotten player. The original Honda Insight, launched in the US in late 1999, was the first hybrid sold in the country, arriving before the Toyota Prius. With its teardrop-shaped body, lightweight design, and fuel economy figures topping 60 miles per gallon, the Insight established Honda as a hybrid innovator. However, over 3 generations, the Insight struggled to carve out a strong identity. The second-generation model, 2009 to 2014, was overshadowed by the Prius, while the third generation, 2019 to 2022, resembled a Civic hybrid more than a distinct product. Despite a refined ride and impressive efficiency, sales remained modest compared to rivals. The shift toward mainstream hybrids. Honda has decided to streamline its hybrid offerings by discontinuing the Insight and focusing on hybrid versions of its mainstream models. The 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid and CR-V Hybrid are now the company's volume leaders in electrified vehicles, each outselling the Insight by a wide margin. This strategy reflects the broader industry trend. Rather than offering hybrids as niche standalone models, automakers are integrating them into their most popular vehicles. By doing so, Honda can maximize reach and simplify its lineup. Why the Insight faded away? Several factors contributed to the Insight's decline. Competition. The Toyota Prius dominated the hybrid market, while newer entries like the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid offered fresh competition. Identity crisis. The third-generation Insight was often seen as a rebadged Civic hybrid, which limited its appeal. Market shift. Consumers are increasingly turning toward hybrid SUVs and crossovers instead of sedans, leaving vehicles like the Insight with shrinking demand. Honda's future without the Insight. While the Insight's discontinuation may disappoint fans of the nameplate, Honda is far from abandoning hybrid and electrified vehicles. In fact, the automaker plans for hybrids to account for over half of its sales in the US by 2030. Additionally, Honda is preparing to roll out new electric vehicles, EVs, including the 2025 Honda Prologue EV, developed in partnership with General Motors. The Insight's legacy, however, remains significant. It demonstrated Honda's early commitment to efficiency and innovation, even if it never matched the commercial success of its rivals. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Insight may have exited quietly, but it leaves behind a legacy as one of the trailblazers of the hybrid era. While sales never reached expectations, its role in shaping consumer awareness of hybrid technology cannot be overstated. For enthusiasts and eco-conscious drivers, the Insight's passing is bittersweet, a reminder of how far the industry has come and where it is heading next.